guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a brow tutorial. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my previous videos, and if you have any requests, please leave them in the comments below, and we're going to start on this look. I like to start off by trimming my brows down a bit by using the Japanese brow trimmer. I finally used it at TJ Maxx, I think, so hopefully I can find them again, because once you see something at TJ Maxx, you never find it again. I decided to go ahead and start using the front-facing camera so it's a bit easier for me to focus on the camera and not so much on the back. So I'm going to start off by trimming my brows with the Japanese brow trimmer. I kind of like to start off by like up here and just going down at kind of like a 90-degree angle. My brows grow really fast, so I feel like this is a common occurrence. I like to get the excess brow hairs off the top. I never went through like the thin brow stage, luckily. I know a lot of people did and they just tweezed them all out. Go into the center here and clean up the middle. I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow now, like the same that we did on this side. There was a point in time where I thought that doing brows was like unnecessary. Now looking back on those pictures, I'm horrified. I also like to go in with a pair of tweezers and kind of get rid of those stray pieces. The most annoying part is when like the brow hairs get stuck to your face. I'm going to go ahead and take a spoolie and brush the brow hairs up so that we can get ready for the eyebrow pencil application. This way it can make it easier to get the pencil in where we need it to be. It may look crazy at first. I might insert a cartoon picture that has the same look. I'm going to be going in with the Morphe brow pencil in the shade Hazelnut. It's kind of a bit lighter than the one I used in my last video, but it still works pretty well. I'm going to start here. We're going to go up and just kind of do hair-like strokes. This pencil has a bit more wax than I would like it to be. It's a little stiff, but it kind of helps the brow to stay in place so at least it doesn't move around too much. Whenever I get to like this part of the brow, when we get to the arch, I kind of like to take the pencil and kind of follow with the arch there. And take your spoolie and brush through that. That's that brow done. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. Start off in the beginning. Make those hair-like strokes. We've all had those times where we get kind of carried away with the brow pencil and kind of just want to do the whole thing, but I want to try to focus on the spots that need it most. I feel like carving out the brows becomes something that's kind of faded out. I'm kind of glad it did, because every time I did it to myself, I just didn't really like how it looked, and I feel like it kind of made the brows more intense than it needed to be, and I feel like people in the comments and every work could probably agree with that. These are some of the barrettes I'm wearing today, actually. I found them at Kohl's. They're kind of like these stone quartz kind of ones. I'm wearing these navy ones today. They're far back there, so you can't really see them. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, but I'm kind of go through it pretty quickly since this is a brow tutorial and I don't want to take up too much of your time. So I'm going to go through each step after I do it and explain what I used and what I did. For foundation, I used the CoverGirl Outlast Active Foundation in the shade Ivory, and I took it in with a beauty blender. I went with Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. Sorry that the bottle looks all messy. I need to clean it up. I'm going to next go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And when I headed to the eyes off camera, I used the e.l.f. quad in the shade Truffles in the Bite Size eyeshadow collection. It's kind of similar to the smoky eye look I did last time, but there's a lot more warm tone browns rather than the cool tones. I went in with the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner pen, and I also went in with the Essence Volume Stylist Curl and Hold mascara. I went in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I followed with the Benefit Dandelion blush. Since I used a shimmery blush, I'm not going to go in with any highlight, as it already kind of illuminates the sides of the face. It adds that glow, so I don't want to add any more. For lips, I went in with the new NYX Shine Loud lipstick in the shade Magic Maker. It goes really well with this look, and if you guys want to see a full review of this lip product, just let me know. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you enjoyed the brow tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!